Yeah, it looks like a good day for going to the beach. Let's see how cold it is. Little does JJB know that I am a professional coffee reviewer. This is a 4-shot, a quad shot, long espresso. So that's a big drink, a small drink with a big kick. It's kind of how I'm described in Kung Fu. This is gonna be good. We're gonna get quite a bit done today. The inaugural testing. Ow! That has some whip to it. It was hot. It's good. Smoky. Tastes like a gingerbread man crushed up, liquefied, and concentrated. Houston, we have a problem. Apparently I'm locked outside because my locks are frozen. Hell of a day to be locked outside. Fuck. I'm trying to warm up the key, but the lock itself is cold. We're getting Wayne to help me. Maybe we're gonna pour some hot water on it and hopefully that helps. I don't know. Today's vlog, we're outside at -14 and the locks have frozen on my door to get inside, and apparently they've also frozen on 2 of their work trucks, and the trucks won't start either. So it's very exciting how cold it is. This environment we live in, Vancouver, is not built for -14. It's built for -4. Cold snap. Thank you, Harp. It's not a conspiracy.
Fire it all in there.
This is how it feels to be in the Russian prison. Russia, very cold.
Well, see if that helps.
Thanks, man. Come on, baby. Ah! Yes! Thanks, brother. Thanks, Wayne. You're my hero. You're in the vlog. See you. Wayne saved the day. The hot water trick worked good. It wasn't glass, it was just metal, so hot water lubricated the cold lock, and bada bang, we're home! End of the vlog. The day just began. 55 degrees inside Fahrenheit and -14 Celsius outside. I also like to try and measure my body in kilograms and pounds and centimeters and inches, just to make it really difficult to know how tall and how fat you are. Okay. Okay. So when it's cold out, I guess the taps are frozen, but somehow the shower is working. And the toilet is working. So I guess we're gonna drink toilet water. Hey, dog life after all. All right, we packed up all of our gear, ready to go to the beach. It's -14 outside. My taps are not working inside. They're frozen. Oh, there's a drip. I saw a drip. Oh, that's an old drip. And it's -50, it's 55 Fahrenheit inside. So -14 Celsius out, 55 Fahrenheit, whatever that is, inside. That's in this room. In this room, it's at least 5 or 8 degrees colder. I can feel it. So we're looking at about 50 degrees Fahrenheit in there, 55 in here. Frozen on the taps and -14 outside, and we're going to the beach to go for a swim because that's what you do in Canada when it's a nice day. Okay, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. This radio station just said, the following is something, please consider tuning out. But look at those mountains. Woo! This is Vancouver's Kitsilano neighborhood. It's very nice. And there's a guy that lives right there. His name is Mark James, and he does sound baths. So if you want to be treated nicely to a sound bath, Hit him up. He's the best. I'll give you the link in the bio. It's just the beast under your bed, in the closet, in your head, off the never land. Who's driving this car? Vacations will soon be my death. Have to excuse me, I'm not at my best. I've been gone for a week. I've been drunk since I left. All right, just got to the beach. Welcome to the beach in Russia. The Russian beach is warm. We come here, it's the middle of summertime. Mostly my hands are cold because they're exposed. The rest of my body is covered in these warm clothes, which aren't that warm because why did I pick a jacket with buttons? Because I can't do them up. My hands are too cold. So we'll see about going in that water. It looks like a terrible idea. I don't know who said this is gonna be a good idea. This might be the worst vlog ever because I'm probably not gonna do it. I brought this fire log and I'm just gonna put it here and see if I can make a fire. I'm just gonna put it like right here. Look, it's probably gonna blow out because how's that gonna work? I made this little bed of sticks. I'm gonna put this fire log right here and hopefully get a little bit of heat. The world's smallest fire going right now. Hopefully I can keep it going. The wind is a challenge. So now I got a tiny fire in here somewhere. It's starting to pick up now. I moved it from the original location, which is still smoking, to here. Hopefully it gets a little bit warmer because we're gonna try and go in there. I made fire! Yeah! I feel like Tom Hanks in Castaway. Fire! Wilson! Alright, guess what we're going to do? We got a fire. So we're at the beach. We made a fire. A little one. And we're going to think about going swimming. We got to do a bunch of push-ups to stay warm before we go in. It's time to do it. I don't want to. It was a small fire. Hopefully we get wet real quick and come out one-time dip. All right, this looks like a good shot. We'll stick with this angle. Hopefully when I'm gone, my phone doesn't fall into the fire. It's a risk. I don't really like that risk. So, I don't know. I'll put this here instead to block it. There, protector. Okay. Wish me luck. It's -14. We're at the beach. We're gonna go in the ice plunge. phone and my phone fell in the fire. Oh shit. We went in. That's brisk, baby. Woo. Woo. My phone fell into the fire as I said it might, and I did. Oh, thank God it still works. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Stay cool. Subscribe. Now back to the warm fire. That's brisk, baby. That's brisk. Smoking. Woo! Fire's good for the hands and feet. Now we're warming our feet for the fire. Stay cool. My bathing suit is frozen, so chilly. Oh my God.